In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post on TikTok for everyone to see. Okay, so once you've loaded up TikTok, you'll be on the home page, and then what you need to do is you need to actually create your TikTok video. So tap here where it says create. That will open up the TikTok camera, and I'll just record something real quick. Okay, so once you've recorded your TikTok, edited and everything like that, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. Then you can add your sounds, effects, text and stickers, do whatever you feel like, and then tap on next. And now once you're on the post page, you want to see here where it says who can watch this video. If you want to post a TikTok for everyone to see or to make it public, you want to tap on that and then make sure that it's on everyone. If it's on friends, then only your friends will be able to see it. And if it's on only me, then only you will be able to see it. So make sure it's on everyone. Then go back and then you can hit the post button. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.